Ever pondered what to do with leftover Super Bowl party beer? Well, welcome to the world of beer bread. It's simple, fast, and delicious. You'll need 3 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have it, no worries. Just mix 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now grab that leftover beer, about 12 ounces. Combine flour and beer. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar if you like it sweet. Stir until you've got a sticky dough. Don't overmix. Pour it into a greased loaf pan. Optional, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of melted butter over the dough for a golden crust. Now bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Give it about 45 minutes. Voila, you've got a tasty loaf of beer bread. Want to jazz it up? Add cheese, herbs, or even nuts to the dough. Every bite will be a delightful surprise. Enjoy your beer bread, the perfect recipe for leftover beer. Remember, the better the beer, the better the bread. Happy baking.